Hello students, today we'll start with chapter 1, that is landscapes. So here, what is a landscape? The landscape is everything you can see when you look across an area of land, including hills, rivers and trees. So here in activity 1, water dance is a poetic introduction to one of nature's most basic elements, that is water. Kanu Patel draws a vivid picture of this element from a gentle mountain pond to a raging waterfall. So here we can see a picture. Here is Kanu Patel's painting. In this we can see he has drawn water falling. Now we can see here activity 2, water dance part 1. Some people say that I am one thing. Others say that I am many. Ever since the world began, I have been moving in an endless circle. Sometimes I fall from the sky. I am the rain. So here the poet is saying that the rain, when it falls, some people say that it is one and many things. And then ever since the world has began, it is like a endless circle, and then it falls from the sky and it is called a rain. Sometimes I cascade, I tumble down, down over the moss covered rocks, through the forest shadows. I am the mountain stream. Here cascade means waterfall. So the water is falling from the waterfall, then it going tumble, that is rolling down and down over the moss covered rocks, over the rocks where green moss is covered, through the forest shadows, and that is called a mountain stream. At the foot of the mountains, I leap from a stone cliff, spiraling, plunging. I am the waterfall. Here the poet is saying that the water is going through the mountains and then stone cliffs, that is waves crashing on the rocks, spiraling, plunging, that is it is moving coiled in a round or cone shape, and the water is throwing forcefully, and that is called a waterfall. In the shadows of the mountain, I am still and deep. I fill and overflow. I am the lake. And here in the shadows of mountain we can see the water is very still, that is it is not moving, and it is very deep, and when it overflows it becomes a lake. I went through broad golden valleys, joined by streams, joined by creeks. I grow ever wider, broader and deeper. I am the river. And here the water is moving from the golden valleys, then it is joining by streams, creeks, and it grows very wider, broader and deeper, and that is called a river. I pass through a gateway of high stone palisades, leaving the land behind, cool silver moonlight. And then the water is passing through the gateway of big stones, palisades, that is fence of pointed sticks, and then leaving the land behind, and in the moonlight it is like silver sparkling, sparkles and dances on my waves. I am the sea. Here the water is sparkling and then dancing and waving, and then that is called the sea. Drawn upward by warm sunlight in the white silver veils. I rise into the air, I disappear. And in the last paragraph, the poet is saying that when it is very bright sunlight, what happens? The water evaporates and it goes into the air and then it disappears. Hello students, today we'll start with activity 4, water dance part 2. I am the mist. In thousands of shapes I reappear high above the earth in the blue sky. I float, I drift. The poet is saying that the fog has thousands of shapes and it reappears high above the earth in the blue sky. The fog floats and drifts. I am the clouds carried by winds from distant seas. I move, growing heavier, growing darker, returning. Here the poet is saying that the clouds are carried by winds from long distance sea and it moves, growing very heavier, darker, and then the clouds return. I am the storm front at the walls of the mountains. I rise up as gleaming, power-filled towers in the darkened sky. Here the poet is saying that the storm front, that is violent weather conditions, moves through the mountains like filled towers and it gleams in the dark sky. I am the thunderhead. I blind the sky with lightning. The earth trembles with my thunder. I rage, I drench the mountainside. Here the poet is saying that the thundering which comes, it blinds the sky with its lightning and the earth trembles and it takes rage, that is revenge, and I drench the mountainside, that is it wets the mountainside. I am the storm. Storms come, storms pass. I am countless droplets of rain left floating in the silent air. I reflect all the colors of sunlight. Storms, here the poet is saying that when storm comes, it passes away and then countless droplets of rain comes in the silent air and afterwards we can see rainbows, that is colors of sunlight. I am the rainbow, I am one thing, I am many things, I am water. This is my dance through our world. And here the poet is saying that the water is many things and also one thing and it dances through our world. This poem is written by Thomas Locker. Hello students, now we'll see for homework. You can take few pages and file it. You can see here glossary. You can, that is meanings, you can write in your homework. After that, you can go to activity 8. Here we can see adjectives are given. What is adjective? Adjectives are describing words used to give more meaning to a noun. Now here some words are given. You have to give adjectives, 5 adjectives as an homework. First one it is given here, that is mother. Mother is the example and here adjectives are given. Loving mother, gentle mother, strict mother, good mother, working mother. Now you can, here words are given. Friend, match, beauty, food, movie. Here you can associate with adjectives and do your homework. Now you can go to activity 10. You can see here our country is blessed with varied landscape. India has mountains, valleys, waterfalls, deserts, rivers and lakes. Now what you have to do, you have to write a paragraph describing your favorite landscape. You can write few lines and then file it in your file. Okay.